My name is Elizabeth Fiorentino Williams. Who am I? I'm a premier wellness advocate, a PlantPure pod co-leader, square foot gardening instructor, and a self-proclaimed tech geek. What do I offer? doTERRA accounts and product solutions, plant-based transformations, accountability coaching, and tech support. How can you reach me? My website, naturallycompleteofnc.com, my Facebook pages and groups, too many to list, by phone, 888-383-4098, and by email, livethelifeforyou@yahoo.com or elizabeth@naturallycompleteofnc.com.